Yeah, today is Saturday, 7th or 8th of July. Got my new tires on my John Deere Z 225 mower, all four corners. That Strongway tire machine, the manual one, is fine for removing tires. It didn't work with the flip on mounting these new ones on the rear. Of course, my fronts came with tires already installed on the rims. I don't have any grass to mow down here. Before I take this thing up to the farm, I wanted to test it out. So I'm mowing the old factory site. There's a nice section of grass here. It's about 1.5 acres. This thing's doing great. No deck vibration. Engine's running like a brand new one because it is. Plenty of power. I'm cutting Bahia and coastal mix, and Bahia is just a real tough grass to cut, and you can kind of see the result. I'm cutting it 2 inches. It's not scalping. It's getting a real good cut. I just sharpened to balance the blades. This Bahia is about boot top high, so about 10 inches. Of course, the coastal thins out. It's about 4 inches tall. But yeah, it's doing real nice. I'm just going to mow where I don't get any rocks or debris. So they have somebody that mows. I just don't know when he comes up here. He should have already come for this weekend, but again, I'm just going to do this area here, just test out the mower. They shouldn't mind. But up there in that area next to the building, I don't want to hit anything. But yeah, I just had to stop. I need to get more gas put in it. And I'll continue on for this test run. And then put her back in the little building. All said and done, this thing with 4 new tires. Of course, the fronts are tires mounted to rims. The brand new engine. That's it. The blades I just took off, sharpened and balanced. The deck is damn near new. The battery was in good shape. It took a charge. It has stayed charged up. That's about it. $1,800 plus or minus. So with tax, new ones almost $4,000. So yeah, I think I did good. It does mow good. So I haven't plowed into anything yet. You know, if you've never driven a zero turn, there is a bit of a learning curve, but I didn't hit nothing, so we're doing good. Let me throw some gas in it and finish up so I can head towards the house. Thank you.